Good afternoon and welcome to our short video on Bomblab. So, Bomblab is released and you've downloaded your bomb. Put it in our directory. What should we do now? We'll untar it. And now go into its directory. What do we have? We have a bomb, some bomb.c, a key.txt, and a readme. Now, as bold young students, let's just go ahead and run the bomb. Forgot to read the write-up now, did you? Fortunately, I have already read the write-up and prepared a key file, so I can continue on with this demonstration. So, let's again, just go ahead and run the bomb. 6 phases. Going to blow myself up. Maybe it would be best to run this safely. Now, when I enter Control-C, it does wait, but it did exit. All right. So I can start running it in GDB. This will keep me safe from maybe it exploding. So I started running. Okay, running. In GDB, I can always break in, see what's going on, backtrace. All right, this is a whole bunch of reading input, all reading input here, some skip, some read line, main. Oh, main's in bomb.c. All right, well, let's look here. All right, so it's going to take some input. We're going to read it in. And one of the important things here of Bomblab, you can trust the function names. When they say things like read line, it is reading a line of input. If it says it's going to read 6 numbers, it's going to read 6 numbers. So now this is in bomb.c, so we're going to quit for a moment out of this. I had to confirm that I wanted to quit because the program was running. And let's go ahead and look at that source file. All right, so this is that start of the code. This is where we'd reached. This is where we broke in. We were reading an input. The input was returning some string and it was being passed to phase 1. Well, we want to diffuse phases, so let's go look at what phase 1 does. Is there a phase 1? Oh, it's the only one in our source code. All right, it's the only one in the source code. Let's go back to running it in the debugger. So I can disassemble in the debugger. I can also do this with object dump. So phase 1, fairly short. Remember, it's taking in some input. It's making some call, strings not equal. Again, strings not equal, probably going to confirm that the strings are not equal to each other. And there's an explode bomb routine. Oh, that doesn't sound good. I want to be safe about explode bomb. So let's set a breakpoint on it. Now we can run and I can say, hi, YouTube watchers. And it exploded. I can take my backtrace again and see that, all right, it was called an explode bomb out of phase 1. So when I entered my input, it went into phase 1 and it exploded. It was not equal to whatever the string I was supposed to input to diffuse the phase. Now remember, my bomb is different from your bomb. So your inputs are going to be different from mine. So I don't expect you to be entering YouTube watchers as your input string. Now, if for some reason I'm making a quick mistake and I type continue, oh, my bomb blew up. I thought I was just broken in. Uh-oh. But I want you to remember, this is going to probably happen for many of you. So, one explosion is free for each student. The first explosion is no deduction at all for your bomb. So, you don't need to be emailing us and say, Professor, I forgot and I ran continue and it blew up. It's okay. And if it blows up, I can always start running again. And we're running again, and I can always try some other input. Help, it exploded. Okay, I don't want to run, I don't want to have it explode again, so I can always type run. It says it's already running. Are you sure I want to start from the beginning? Yes, I do. Now we're back in the bomb and we can continue through this process. Now, your inputs, there are billions of them. Each one's unique to each bomb. So we could go through the process of actually finding the input, but right now I just wanted you to get to that basic starting of the bomb is now running into the debugger. The debugger is catching the explosions, and we're perhaps a little safe. And we'll be able to move on from there. And either using the disassemble command inside of GDB or using object dump, you can start trying to understand of what each phase is doing and working it out for yourself. So with that, I wish you luck with the Bomblab and happy debugging.